Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Jack Russell from Bluey. So let's get started. To draw cute Jack, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a very big oval. So let's go up with our curve. We're going to come down. And connect everything with another curve just like the top. To create this big oval. Now that we have that, I'm going to come inside, maybe toward this edge a little bit more, but right here in the center area, I'm going to draw another oval. And I'm going to come right about here, put in a circle for a highlight, and shade everything else in. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to draw the nose. So let's say about right here. I'll just start about right here. We're going to draw a slight angle line coming down for his nose. So say about that much. And then we're going to come right about here and round it off. Then we're going to slant it down. Give it a little bit of a curve as we come down to about right there. And then we're going to bring it back up. So let's go ahead and curve this part as well, and then just draw a curve going all the way back up to the eye, and then about right here, just cap it off. There. So it's as if you're just drawing this person with this really big nose, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the other eye. I'm going to come about right here, just give a little bit of space. And we're just gonna draw another oval, and it's gonna be about the same size. That's our goal. So about the same height. And let's just go ahead and bring it down. We're gonna pass this nose, and let's make sure we end about the same area, bottom, so about right there, and just bring it in. Then same thing, we want to draw this other oval about right here towards this edge more. And our goal is to make it about the same again. And a little highlight and shade everything else in. There. Okay, so now we have the eyes in. Let's go ahead and draw the nose. So right into this area, I'm going to start about right here. I'm just going to draw a line across about right here. And then on this side, I'm going to round it off and come down. And then on this side, we're also going to round off the corner. And this part's really subtle. We're going to round it off, and we're going to angle it in more. There. Very subtle. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can just do the same thing on both sides. But notice how I'm bringing this curve in more to that side. And then once again, I'm going to put in a highlight. So about right here at the top. And shade everything else in. So we're giving more angle over here because we're not looking at the nose straight on. So it's just a cartoonish way to give it a little bit more perspective. Okay, there. So now that we have that, let's go ahead, come above the eye and about right here, just right over the eye. I'm going to draw a curve right about here. Then let's round it off for his brow. I'm going to go round and thicken it up. And then we're going to do the same thing on this eye. So right over the eye. And just like the other side, round it off and connect. There. And then now that we have that, let's go in between the brows and say about right here, let's touch this brow. And we're just going to draw a strand of hair popping up. And then let's come to the center of this curve about right here. Just going to curve. We're going to give a little bit of space around the eye. So let's say about this much. We're going to curve down. And same thing over here. So curve. And come down. So about right there, and same thing here. There. Okay, so now we can start to draw our rounded off rectangular body shape. Try to round this off a little bit more. Okay, so now let's bring this down. About right there. And then we're going to stop and draw the hands. So I'm going to pop them out to about right here. Let's go up with a curve. And then we're going to draw some fingers. So the first one is a thumb. So let's go up and curve in. And then we're going to come up right about here and draw 3 curves. 1, 2, and 3. And then bring it in. And just thicken up this arm to about right there. And then for some details, come right here to finish off the fingers. We're going to curve and add a little curve, and then right here, whatever space you have left, just put in those little curves to create the fingers. So same thing on the other side. About right here, we're going to go up, and once again curve, and then 3 curves. 1, 2, and 3, and bring it back. So say about right here. Just easier for my hand to go this way, and then once again the fingers. Whatever space you have left. Okay, so now that we have that, I almost forgot the ears, right? So let's come back right here. Sorry about that. We're going to start about right here, and we're going to draw his floppy ears. We're going to draw a curve, and then we're going to go up, curve it down to about right there. Round this off, bring it in, and bring it in. And then we're just going to add a little curve right here, just to make it look like it's bending. Okay, so then from there, let's do the same thing. We're going to start about right here, just like the other side. And about here, we're going to bring it down. So let's do the same thing on the other side, about right here. And go up. There, and then once again, we're going to draw a curve right about here. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, one more thing. Here, I'm just putting a little line, and right at his eye area about here. It's a different color. Okay, so now it's starting to look like Jack, right? Hopefully. So now let's bring this, continue this down. And then we're just going to round it off. I'm not going to make it too tall. So about right here and here. Let's go ahead and finish it off. And connect for his body. Then for his legs, I'm going to find my center, which is about right here. And I'm going to go to the left, go to the right, same about amounts of space. And then we're just going to draw a curve coming down on both sides. So let's bring this down a little bit more. I'm going to straighten it out. Let's say about right there, and then let's come back here and thicken it up. And about right here, I'm going to stop and curve out and connect. And then let's put in 2 curves right here for his feet. And same thing on the other side. So about the same thickness. And once again, curve and connect. And 2 curves. And then, of course, we need a tail. So right in this space right here, let's go ahead and draw a curve coming up. Round it off. And then another curve and bring it in. And then there's some different colors. So I'm just going to put in a curve right there. Okay, so now that we have that, I think that is pretty much it, except of course, I'm going to lightly put a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Jack Russell from Bluey. I really hope you love how he turned out, and I hope to draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.